Here I have HUAWEI NOVA 10, and today I'm going to show you how to turn off front camera mirroring effect on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open camera, then switch to the front camera, and let's take a photo just for an example. Okay, so to disable it, you just go to settings, and here you can find mirror reflection. And now, you can see the difference. As you can see on this photo, we have this part coming from the left side, and on this photo we have it coming from the right side, because these photos are mirrored. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.